Okay, we're in Windsor. We're at the Comfort Inn. We just got here after kind of a long day. We hung out and while everybody got ready to go, and then we got on the way, and then we kind of sort of got lost on the way to Canada, and Canada did not want us to enter, but then finally Canada permitted us to enter through a tunnel. And we got here, and it's late. It's quarter to midnight, so
it is
tired.
late.
And Josh was a superhero driving today in rain and Detroit lostness, so we're here. We're looking forward to air races tomorrow.
Alright. Sounds good. Alright.
Okay. Alright, we're at the Red Bull air races. We're waiting to get inside because they haven't opened the gates yet, but we took a taxi over here, a van taxi, and we'll listen to dancing on the ceiling. And we're really excited. It's a little bit breezy, but it's a nice day, and it's going to be really nice. I'm excited.
Very cool.
Air races. These are our friends also at the air races. Fellow vacation assistant.
Yes. Right back.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Waiting to get in. Red is fighting back. Yeah, it's pretty busy. We're kind of in traffic.
Yeah.
Whoa. Here we are, waiting for the race to start.
We are waiting for the race to start. It's breezy. It's beautiful out here.
It's very nice. Detroit River. Here comes a really big boat.
It's pretty giant. It's used for shipping.
I think it is. That's closer. Okay, there we go.
You're good? Okay. Alright, we are on the waterfront. It was really windy and it was getting really cold for a while, but we think the race part's actually going to start soon. We had lunch. It was fun. It's just super, super, super windy. We're having a good time. Leslie's having a good nap.
Leslie is having a good nap. Geoff's playing with the camera.
Colin's being a model.
Colin is being a model. Redmar back there.
Thank you. We're just being us.
It's true.
We're keeping it real.
We are. We're always cute.
Yeah.
They got up the second pylon.
Yeah, it hasn't fallen over this time, which is valid.
Blew over the first time. We got two up over there. That's Detroit over there.
Detroit is cool looking from this side. The Renaissance Center is very neat from this side. That's
It is.
Didn't really come out.
It's too dark.
That's it.
That's it.
That's Renaissance Center.
The sound of freedom with the F4U Corsair. Execute.
does look like a giant Red Bull can. It's pretty windy here.
Very windy here. I'm very hot.
All right.
Okay, we're here. We're at a park. It's ticket in there. The line was 5 million.
We don't have enough room for all this, so I gotta go with pipe. The rest of this, that's what I have to do today.
It is.
It's a lovely day.
It's a very nice day.
And then the other thing is I have one application. The guys, I have to fill out basically the same information.
Right.
Send it off.